Oh wow, look at this absolutely gorgeous crochet flower. Those beautiful rounded teal petals surrounding a crisp white is giving me all the floral vibes. For this flower you need two colors, a bright teal and a clean white, and a 3mm crochet hook. Small hook, big results. We start with white yarn and make a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your finger 9 times. Insert your 3mm hook through the center of all those loops and pull your working yarn through. Chain 1 to lock it. This magic ring is the heart of our flower, so make sure those 9 wraps are snug and secure. Now we fill that ring with single crochet stitches. Insert your hook into the center, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. That is 1 single crochet done. Keep working all the way around that ring, filling it up completely. Once you reach the end, pull that yarn tail tight and watch that center close into a perfect little circle. So satisfying every single time. We are not finished with white just yet. We add a second round of single crochet, working right on top of what we just made. 1 single crochet into every stitch all the way around. This second layer builds up that beautiful raised, fluffy white center. Keep your tension even, not too tight, not too loose. Now we switch to our gorgeous teal yarn. On your very last white stitch, pull the teal yarn through on that final loop. Just like that, your color has changed. Fasten off the white tail neatly. Those petals are about to happen and they are going to look amazing. For each petal we begin with 3 chain stitches. This lifts us up to the right height. Now we work treble crochet stitches. Yarn over twice before inserting your hook. Pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops again. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. That is 1 treble crochet. Now keep going and work 6 treble crochets all into that same stitch. Watch those loops building up on your hook, clustering together, getting fuller and fuller. Now comes the most satisfying moment of this entire tutorial. You have all those loops sitting on your hook. Yarn over just 1 time and pull through all of them at once. Every loop, 1 smooth pull. That cluster pops into a big, beautiful, perfectly rounded petal right before your eyes. That technique is called a bobble and it creates those gorgeous puffy petals that make this flower so special. To finish each petal, chain 3 once more and slip stitch into the second chain back on the circle. This anchors the petal firmly and creates a neat gap between each one. Now repeat the whole thing. 3 chains, 6 treble crochets into the same stitch, pull through all loops at once, 3 chains, slip stitch. Petal after petal all the way around until your flower is completely full and blooming. And there she is. Look at those perfectly rounded puffy teal petals fanning out around that beautiful raised white center. You just made a handmade crochet flower completely from scratch, and it looks incredible. This flower is perfect as a hair clip, a brooch, a bag charm, or a keychain. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up.